In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new CRM contact in GoodDay. Let's get started right from your GoodDay workspace. First, make sure you're logged into your account and on any main page, such as your tasks or dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the More icon. This is usually represented by a grid of 9 small dots. It's often used in apps to show additional tools and features that don't fit in the main navigation. Go ahead and click that grid icon to open up the extended menu. Once you've clicked the More icon, you'll see a list of different modules and sections available in GoodDay. From here, look for the option labeled CRM. This is where all your customer relationship management features live, including contacts, companies, and related records. Click on CRM to open that module. Inside the CRM section, you'll see several tabs or categories, and one of them will be Contacts. This is where individual people are stored, like clients, leads, or partners. Click on Contacts to view your existing contacts list. If this is your first time here, the page might look pretty empty, and that's completely fine. We're about to add your first contact. Now look toward the right-hand side of the screen for a button that says New Contact, or something similar, usually highlighted so it stands out. This button is your starting point for adding someone new to the system. Click on New Contact, and a form or pop-up window will open. Here's where you'll fill in your contact's details. Start with the basics: first name, last name, and email address. If you have it, you can also add a phone number, company name, job title, and any other relevant fields that appear. The more accurate and complete your information is, the more useful your CRM will be later on. Take a moment to double-check spelling and contact information so you avoid errors down the line. GoodDay will guide you with on-screen prompts as you move through the form. These prompts might mark which fields are required, suggest formats for emails or phone numbers, or offer extra optional sections like notes, tags, or custom fields. Simply follow what you see on the screen, completing each section as needed. When everything looks correct, save or create the contact using the button at the bottom of the form. Once saved, your new contact will appear in the contacts list, ready to be used in your CRM workflows, tasks, or communication tracking.